Everybody wants things faster, more efficient. The tools that the Autodesk software gives us helps us streamline all of our processes.
The collection helps connect the data, the processes, and the people behind every great product. It all starts with a single source of truth.
We're using Vault, which is a PDM system to manage all our data in one location for everyone to use. You haven't got duplicate information that's out of date and wrong. You know that that data is the latest and it's correct.
Make designs accessible for anyone, so collaboration can accelerate projects forward.
We're able to share the data globally. We could be working on a design here. We could share that down to our office down in Houston, Texas, even up to Buffalo and Shanghai. We have around 30 designers here, and it would be an organizational mess to not have a Vault database.
Use cloud-based design reviews to collect feedback from key stakeholders, wherever they are.
A million-part model doesn't run on your laptop. There's too much data there. So that's where products like Navisworks come in, where we can use the Navisworks file to share the model out with a vendor that's going to look at machining the gears that are in the structure.
We're constantly impressed with how it's been able to streamline our processes, so we expect that to continue.